It's your boy Jay, back at another video, and today we're gonna have a vlog day, and we're gonna experience my home, and we're gonna go ahead and see what's out here in the city. I did see this little chicken spot that I've been dying to try for the longest, and they said they had the most spiciest chicken sandwich ever. And one thing about me is I love spicy food, so we're gonna go ahead and try this spot. We're gonna go ahead and travel around the city and see what else we can find and see what's going with the day. So let's go with the video. Let's go! Alright, so I haven't been here in a minute. Look at this. It's beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright, let's see. Shoot. Yeah, it's there. Oh my god, I haven't been here in so long. I haven't been over here in so long. I don't even remember which way to go. I'm on 12th Street. Alright, we're on 12th Street, so we Street. Hang on. Yeah, I got phone. Hey, how you doing? You here? Hey, how you doing today? I'm doing well. This is my first time here, so let me get 2 of your OG. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm back home. We went to Mukbang Rooster just to pick up this food, and also I also want to try this spicy chicken. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's see. Whew. Oh, this is the bottom. So why did I ain't able to do this? Alright. I forgot to grab napkins. Whatever. Alright, let's say our grace. Amen. Look, little Nashville sauce. So if y'all want what type of sandwich I got the OG Nashville sandwich with the little Nashville sauce. Look at that. Spicy. So this has habanero on it. And I got some fries. Shoot. When I went down there, shoot, the wait wasn't that long. It was like 10 minutes. And waiting on the food wasn't that long too, 10 minutes. So good, 20. But let's go ahead and try this food. First we're gonna start with the fries. The fries are good. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you see the sandwich. Look at it. So you got your 2 chickens, got your coleslaw at the bottom, got onions. Alright, let's go ahead and take a bite and see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, I got. It's not as spicy, it just got this tingling thing on your tongue. That's all this. It's really not that spicy at all. But
you got mine, I got yours. This is it. This is it.
Alright, it's spicy.
I taste the habanero. It's like this. Look.
Oh,
That's what's
maybe I got the wrong thing. Hang on. Oh, hold on. You ain't getting my. I just added this out. How much of it? You put the natural sauce on it? Cause I put the natural sauce.
That's fine.
All right. That one has a kick too, but nah, this definitely ain't.
Huh? Yeah, I'm tasting that heat.
There you go. That one got heat too. Hmm. Let me see. Let me hang on. Let me see. Let me
Put it on both.
let me see. Let me see. It's not even spicy.
Yes, it is.
That one had a little bit more shit in this one.
Mm-mm.
I think you just want to switch. It's not spicy at all. I could bite this thing. The one I gave you was
Look in there. Because I saw the peppers fall out of that. Ooh.
it's not even spicy whatsoever.
Yes, it is. I need some water. I don't know. Give me some water.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm going to go get some water.
It's too hot?
I'll live.
Alright.
Don't be trying to talk me out of my sandwich.
Damn.
Oh, that Nashville sauce spicy too. That's what it is. Ooh, no, that y'all trying to hurt somebody.
Is it? Alright. You would say you're not gonna talk. So yeah, she got my sandwich, but I got her sandwich. But they both taste the same. Because when I got the bag or whatever, they didn't label the sandwich. So I didn't know which one's which. So I just saw whoever one that I smelled the habanero on. But come to find out, they both got habaneros on it. But this sandwich is like, if I had to get on a scale, 1 to 10, if I should have went for the extra spicy. But in terms of being hot, I label it, I give it a solid 7. I give it a solid 7. Because Bam, I ain't trying to put Bam on nothing, but Bam, when she makes spicy food, she makes spicy food that makes your mouth and your eyes burn. And have your nose running. That's how hot that she do it. But this one is nowhere hot. But overall, you know, I changed it. I give it an 8. It's not that bad.
Don't go in there. Ooh, I shouldn't have put that sauce.
What do you mean? There's already sauce on there. Bam. There was already sauce on it to begin with. It's not even that spicy for it. Let's see, hang on. But I do like it. Like, they definitely keep to their word. But shout out to them. Shout out to Remain Rooster. Like, it's still a good sandwich. And plus, it tastes like it was actually made. It tastes real good. You alright? I feel like gave you about something, so she's like,
No, I don't like that. It's too hot.
yeah, because you got my sandwich.
I don't think so.
Bam.
I saw the daggone pepper fell out of
That don't mean nothing.
You want me to bite that again and see?
Yes. Go ahead, bite it.
Just break me off a piece.
I can't because the thing falling apart. Huh. You got a napkin over there? I really do think you got my sandwich.
Well, it's too late now because I hope you don't think I'm a...
I believe you. See, you tricked me. You think it's a joke. You think it's a joke. He's laughing.
I did not trick you.
Yes, you did. Let me try it. Go ahead and try it. I bet you. I bet you compare it.
Mm-mm.
4.
You trying to kill me. That's it. Mm-mm. Let me get my water. See?
Bam, but you
Stop it.
bam, we be making you a little Chipotle, it'd be 10 times hotter than this.
I'm not trying to make it, boy. It's been over a year, too.
Don't see. Look, I can finish this. Watch. It's not even hot. I should have went for the extra hot, so that way we can tell which one.
You exit that way so you will not hold this.
What you got?
Ooh, it's too hot.
It's not even that hot. Those are mild. Mine's supposed to be. I knew you tricked me.
Mm-hmm. Mild and the spicy girl must mean. This is too spicy. Oh, they put habanero on both of them. Look.
Let me see.
See? That's why it was.
Where habanero?
Right there.
That's jalapeno.
Jalapenos, they hot. Whatever they are. They too hot.
Habaneros are orange.
Well, what did you ask for?
Well, I placed the order. I wanted one. Here, where's the receipt? Let me get the receipt. Yeah. What I ordered was, I gotta check the receipt. Yours supposed to be
Extra mild.
Yours supposed to be mild. Mine supposed to be spicy. Mild is with jalapenos. And
Well, that's what that is. And they were on both sandwiches.
but that's weird because mine supposed to be with habanero.
You said jalapeno. Which one is it? Habanero or jalapeno?
Yours. Yours is with jalapeno. Mine's with habanero. You can't finish it, can you?
Oh, yes, I have. My lips burning, but I'm eating.
This is actually better than Popeyes. No offense.
No. Well, I haven't had this sandwich.
So, in terms of the juiciness and flavor, I like it because it's kind of like a restaurant, but not as a restaurant. You know what I'm saying? They kind of sit in that middle spot. like it's a quick food industry, but it doesn't take as long. But whew.
When it comes to spicy, I don't like spicy from restaurants. I like to cook our own food because I can control the level of spice.
But it's not.
Restaurant.
Bam, this is not spicy. I keep telling you.
It's not spicy according to your taste, but it's spicy according to my taste.
It was that initial that got you. It's that initial bite that I'm gonna kill you. But that's the kill part.
I had to put honey mustard on to cool it down.
You had to put honey mustard on it to cool it down.
Too much spice take away from the taste, in my opinion.
That's your
The
opinion.
flavors is good, but I never want the spice enough.
This had the rated level. See, they put the number 2. Running 2. So I was thinking was, in my mind, I said, okay, so 1 supposed to be me. Because they did not label it. They didn't say what sandwich was. So I was...
Unless it's on the receipt. Unless the receipt says what 1 is.
No, it was not. But they put no label on it. Also, no, told you.
That don't make sense.
So this one had 2, and the first one had what? Yeah, here's the bottom here. See, it had slash.
That don't mean nothing to us.
No, it don't mean nothing. But I was thinking, I said, okay, since I ordered mine first, I'm thinking in my mind, since it's not labeled or nothing, I said, okay, maybe they put like 1 means spicy, 2 means mild.
We shall never know because they both spicy.
They're not. This one was not spicy.
Both of them was, because I had both of them.
I had both of them too. This one's not spicy. That one got a little bit more of a kick.
You just trying to get the rest of my sandwich. You ain't fooling me. That ain't gonna happen.
I don't want the rest of your sandwich. I just want a little bitty piece.
You want some?
See?
Huh?
I just want, no, you put the honey mustard, and I don't like honey mustard.
Okay, good.
You know I don't eat honey mustard. Well, y'all, I finished my food. Thank you again for watching my video. Again.